To all of you, I'm very, very grateful because we've seen progress. We've seen commitment to duty. But please, I appeal again, let's go further to embrace the downtrodden, the young ones, and all the supporters. Be all encompassing, and let's spread the development opportunity across to the grassroots. The local government and your efforts have seen a lot of progress being made in the states.